the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love, remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors. Summer love, memories washed in every shade of green and all the colors. Summer love, remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air conditioning blues.
Good morning. It is 7:30 a.m.
1:40 p.m. and it is a Friday. I will be headed to the business school's Cafe Nero to get some work done because I've got a group presentation task that I need to submit by Monday next week. I just met with my dissertation supervisor and I'm actually really excited because I've got some ideas down ready to be researched. That doesn't necessarily mean that I need to redo my entire literature search. I think it's more about finding exactly what I like to do in terms of researching and what is pretty much available, because that also matters. But because I'm doing both an experiment and a quantitative study, for those of you who don't know what quantitative or qualitative studies are, the quantitative studies are pretty much surveys, researching through surveys. Qualitative are researching through interviews, and experiments are experiments. So I'm doing both an experiment and a quantitative research, which is very interesting, but it is quite difficult because obviously it involves a lot of going back and forth with the relevant lab manager. I'm not going to go into that, but I'm just going to head over to the business school to get some more work done on my marketing strategy module. And then hopefully later today actually do some research on my dissertation. So I'll see you guys later.